Take a look at this stunning Chevy Traverse. This is the 2015 LS model with third row seating. The 2015 Chevy Traverse checks all the right boxes for a large crossover SUV and remains a worthy choice for consumers who need 3 rows of seating and expansive cargo room. It has a superb ride quality, generous cargo capacity, even behind the third row, seats for up to 8 and top scores on crash tests. All in all, a great vehicle for you and the family. The LS model comes with the following equipment: automatic transmission, front and rear AC, third row seating for up to 8, rear view camera, cruise control, Bluetooth, 6.5-inch touchscreen display, keyless entry, ABS, traction and stability control, and loads more. With around 21,800 miles, this vehicle is in great condition and should be seen to be appreciated. All this and more, including a 1-year extended coverage warranty for only $20,999. So what are you waiting for? Contact us to set up a test drive. Fill in the form or call us on one of the location phone numbers. All vehicles come with at least 1-year warranty and guaranteed to pass military inspection. UCG, Used Car Guys, good cars from good guys.